Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Are you guys ready to unlock the fascinating worlds of biology and chemistry? I'm your tutor Shafaq and I'm absolutely passionate about these subjects and will truly help you to crack your O-levels, matric and inter exams. Sometimes the textbook just didn't click, but forget about it. On this channel there will be no complicated jargon or confusing explanations, only easy to follow lessons. Are you an O-level student trying to make sense of cell biology or a matric student diving into the complexities of organic chemistry? No worries, I'm here to guide you and simplify complex talk and help you truly understand the core concepts with practice questions and O-level past papers. So this will help you to build confidence and master your exams to see real progress from confusion to confidence. So ready to learn? Subscribe for new videos and hit the bell so you don't miss out. Connect on Instagram for resources and question answers. See you in the next video.